Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Calendar with GoHighLevel. This integration is essential for syncing your appointments and keeping all your scheduling in one place. So let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're there, sign in using your GoHighLevel credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces, as this will determine which calendar gets synced. After signing in, you'll land on your GoHighLevel dashboard. Look to the left navigation panel and click on Calendar. This will direct you to the site's page where you can manage all your calendar-related settings. Now, at the top of your screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Calendar Settings to access the configuration area where you'll be able to connect external calendars. Once you're in the Calendar Settings menu, look at the top part of your screen where you'll find several tabs. Click on Connections. This section is where GoHighLevel allows you to integrate third-party calendars, making it easier to manage your appointments across different platforms without having to switch between apps constantly. From the Calendar Connections page, click on Add New. This button opens up the integration options available to you. You'll be presented with several choices, including Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, iCloud Calendar, and Calendly. Each of these options lets you sync different calendar systems with GoHighLevel, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on Google Calendar. Click on Connect next to the Google Calendar tab. This action will trigger a pop-up window that requires you to log into your Google account. This step is necessary because GoHighLevel needs permission to access and sync your Google Calendar data. Enter your Google credentials when prompted, and you'll be asked to grant access and authorization. Click Continue to allow GoHighLevel to connect with your Google Calendar. Once you authorize the connection, GoHighLevel will sync your Google Calendar events, ensuring that any appointments you create in either platform will automatically appear in both places. This seamless integration helps you avoid double bookings and keeps your schedule organized across all your tools. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Google Calendar with GoHighLevel. This connection will save you time and keep your appointments perfectly synchronized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.